In today's video, I'll show you how to reduce brightness on Windows 10 using a few simple methods. This is perfect if your screen feels too bright, hurts your eyes, or you're working at night and want a more comfortable display. First, let's start with the easiest way. Look at the bottom right corner of your screen and click on the notification icon. A small panel will open and you'll see a brightness slider. Just move the slider left to reduce the brightness and right to increase it. This is the quickest way and works on most laptops. If you don't see the slider there, don't worry. You can also adjust brightness from Settings. Click on the Start menu, then open Settings. Go to System, and then click on Display. At the top, you'll find a brightness slider. Adjust it to whatever level feels comfortable for your eyes. Another simple option is using your keyboard. Many laptops have brightness keys, usually marked with a sun icon. Hold down the Function key and press the brightness down key to lower the screen brightness. This is very handy when you want to adjust brightness quickly without opening any menus. If your screen still feels too bright, you can also enable Night Light. Go back to Display Settings and turn on Night Light. This reduces blue light and makes the screen warmer, which is much easier on your eyes, especially in low light or at night. For desktop users or external monitors, brightness is often controlled using the buttons on the monitor itself. Look for menu or plus and minus buttons on the side or bottom of your screen and adjust the brightness from there. And that's how you reduce brightness on Windows 10. Share this video and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.